What's up YouTube, Cal here to bring you guys another video. I know it's been a while. I've just been busy with stuff and I didn't want to just keep buying new things just to do reviews. I just wanted to do basically reviews on things that I bought when I needed them. So yeah, aside from that, like I can also try to do fragrance related content because I do love fragrances and I do love shoes, but I'm not gonna keep buying new fragrances every time, right? Because it gets expensive. But yeah, so I've just have an unboxing here for you guys. It'll be in the title description. This is gonna be the Hoka recovery slides. This is the women's size. These are not for myself. I just got them for my mom, and I was just like, hey, if we can do a review on these or unboxing on these, then I will definitely go for it. But yeah, let me just open this up. Alright, yeah, so this is how it looks. It actually doesn't come in the box. I got this from Livestock, but yeah, shout out to the Livestock for having this in stock. Pun not intended. But yeah, definitely it looks white. It might look white in this video just because the lighting, but it's actually like a light pink, which is nice. Obviously, like honestly, it looks cool. It's dependent if you're gonna wear this outside or not, so it's up to you. This is a women's size 8. Basically got it from my mom for Mother's Day. It's just she didn't basically just didn't like the colors that was available. But this is 50 Canadian, and it does have this chunky sole. Let's just open this up. So this is how it's gonna turn around. So it says Hoka One One, if you can see that there. Overall, it's very chunky, so I'm assuming it's going to be super comfortable, obviously. So it's a recovery slide for initially, it's like an orthotic basically. The company, when I was looking briefly, it's more, this is like their orthotic like slide. So especially if like my mom's old, so yeah, obviously I want her to obviously not be walking around so much in terms of like not comfortable things, you know, but it's pretty cool. Want to see if I can fit on these, but like I have big feet, so yeah. They're made in Vietnam. Says avoid exposure to high temperatures and prolonged periods in direct sunlight. So it feels like it's made out of something that definitely doesn't like sun. So hopefully she doesn't wear this like outside, just wears it at home. So yeah, I'm gonna see how they fit actually, just for myself. But I'm size 11, so let me just see how they fit. Yeah, so overall, obviously my feet didn't fully fit in, but I got majority of it in. Yeah, so overall it's definitely comfy. Like this giant chunky part is definitely firm. If I was to compare, because I do have Adalette slides, I do like my Adalette slides, but I've been wearing them for years, like probably 2 years now. So I have obviously never broke these in because they're not mine, right? So I would have to like give them a better wear. If I even decide to get a new pair of slides, I would only wear my slides in the house just because it's just me. Yeah, but definitely this toe part feels nice for sure. If I were to compare them to like Yeezy slides, I don't have those, but I did wear my brother's. Wasn't too particular about the Yeezy slides, but I only wore them for like probably 5 minutes just to try them out to see if I would want a pair. But overall, I just go based on low cost and if they're comfortable. So for these, like I would definitely try the men's pair out when I do need to replace my Adalette slides. Either that or I'll get the Adalette 2022s, the ones that look like they're Yeezy slides when they release. That's not if people buy them out and resell them. I don't even know about that, but like I believe people will try to resell them just because Kanye does say they look like the Yeezy slides, so it is what it is. If anything, I'll just pick this up instead because it's 50 Canadian. If you go on the Hoka website, it's like 55 Canadian. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, want to see more content from me, comment, like, subscribe, share this video to anyone who's curious about picking these up. But again, like, if I do decide to get a men's pair of the Hoka recovery slides, I will do a video and I will do basically a performance, or not performance, but how they feel over time type of video. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.